start the class, okay? So let us start with a new chapter. Okay, unit 2 PSM theory. ठीक है, PSM theory लो बेटिया. Unit 2 लिखा. Chapter 1 is complete. Okay, unit 1 हमारे here से. Now we will start with unit 2. Write down unit 2, that is community health. Topic 2 है तुम्हारा community health. Unit 2 community health. What do you mean by health? Anyone? What do you mean by health?
Ma'am, in Assamese it is Sastha.
हाँ वाह फरीज़ातुन.
Ma'am, in Assamese it is Sastha.
ठीक.
Ma'am, in Assamese it is Sastha. It is called health. Is known as health.
Yes, correct. Others, anyone? Health mane ki? What do you mean by health?
Mentally and physically also it is called health. Mentally and physically also it is called health.
Okay, you write down. Saistoi hoy. ठीक है. Health means a person who is physically, mentally, and socially healthy is known as a healthy person. ठीक है. लिखा. Health is a common theme. Health is a common theme. Health is a common theme in most cultures. Health is a common theme in most cultures. CULTURES, most cultures, full stop. In fact, comma, all communities, in fact, comma, all communities have their concepts of health. In fact, comma, all communities have their concepts of health. All communities have their concepts of health, comma, as part of their cultures. As part of their cultures. CULTURES. As part of their cultures. In fact, comma, all communities have their concepts of health, comma, as part of their cultures. Full stop. Among definitions still used. Among definitions still used.
Hello,
Among
ma'am.
definitions still used.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say Wahida.
Ako first ba kobo? Mo kuna po na eko.
Starting of RAM.
Hi,
Starting of RAM.
Hi.
Health is a common theme in most cultures. Full stop. In fact, comma, all communities, in fact, comma, all communities have their concepts of health. In fact, comma, all communities have their concepts of health, comma, as part of their cultures. As
Ma'am,
part
community
of their cultures. In fact, comma दिया. In fact, comma, all communities. All communities. COMMUNITIES. All communities have their concepts of health. All communities have their concepts of health, comma, as part of their culture. Full stop. Among definitions still used, comma, among definitions still used, comma, probably, 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 The oldest is dead. Probably the oldest is dead. Probably 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 the oldest means सबसे पुराना तो ठीक है the oldest is dead. Health is the absence of disease. That health is the absence of disease. That health is the absence of disease. DISEASE. That health is the absence of disease. Okay. So सबसे पुराना definition to की होय that health, a healthy person means totally he or she is free from any kind of disease. ठीक है. So एतिया लिखा according to the change the paragraph and write down according to WHO. According to WHO. According to WHO. WHO और full form to की होय?
Ma'am, World
What is
Health
the full form of
Organization.
WHO?
World
World Health Organization.
Okay, so according to WHO, माने World Health Organization ऐसा definition दिसे, okay, in the year 1948, bracket और लिखा 1948, 1948, okay, in the year 1948, WHO World Health Organization ने health और definition दिसे, okay, so write down health is a state of 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 complete 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 health is a state of complete complete physical 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 comma mental mental comma mental and the end social well-being social SOCIAL with and social well-being WELLBEING social well-being and not merely 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 and not merely merely and not merely an absence of ABSENCE an absence of disease or infirmity an absence of disease or infirmity disease 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 or infirmity INFIRMITY. So WHO definition this, okay, and see the definition that was given by WHO, you will have to write it exactly the way it is given, okay, at a single word you should not skip and you should not make up, ঠিক আছে? So health is a state of complete মানে এটা একটা প্যাকেজ হয়, ঠিক আছে, complete physical mental social well-being. Physical মানে কি আমার physically we should be healthy, ঠিক আছে, mentally মানে psychologically also we should be healthy. If we are mentally ill, what will happen? We have to be admitted in the psychiatric ward, okay, we will have to go to Tejpur for getting admitted, হয় না নহয়?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to be physically healthy, mentally also healthy, or socially money with the society where we are living, with our neighbors, with our relatives, friends, okay, with our teachers, okay, with our classmates. So with everyone, how do we maintain a good relationship, a good interpersonal relationship? So if you are healthy in all the three things, that means you are a completely healthy person. তুমি যদি physically fit কিন্তু mentally তুমি mentally ill, তাহলে will you be called as a healthy person?
No, ma'am.
No. So and socially, by chance you are physically also healthy, mentally also healthy, কিন্তু তুমি তুমি sociable নহয়, means you are not healthy with the society, you are not friendly with the people around you, then will you be called as a healthy person?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? No. So all these things comes. So all these things comes in a package. Okay, healthy means so in every spheres you should be healthy, both physically, mentally, and with the society also. Okay, so this definition was given by the World Health Organization. Okay, WHO. Next to me likha. So this was the definition. ठीक है Jodi, if I ask you what is the definition of health, तो tomorrow को इठु लिखिबो लागिबो that health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. If definition to me likhibo lagibo. If I ask you the definition of health given by WHO in the year which year?
1948.
1948. Okay. Itya likha ecology of health. Write down ecology of health. Ecology, E-C-O-L-O-G-Y. E-C-O-L-O-G-Y, ecology of health. H-E-A-L-T-H, ecology of health. At a dash dia, underline kora, underline it, change the paragraph and write. Ecology is a key. Ecology is a key word. Ecology is a key word. Key, K-E-Y, key. Ecology is a key word, W-O-R-D word, in present day health philosophy. Is a key word in present day health philosophy. Health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health philosophy. P-H-I-L-O-S-O-P-H-Y, health philosophy. Full stop. It comes from the Greek, G-R-E-E-K, Greek. It comes from the Greek, G-R-E-E-K. It comes from the Greek. Within inverted commas likha oikos, O-I-K-O-S. Within bracket you write down oikos. Within bracket you write down oikos, O-I-K-O-S, oikos. ठीक है, meaning oikos or meaning लिखा, meaning M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning a house. Meaning a house, H-O-U-S-E. House माने इटू घर तो न होय, okay, where you are staying. इटू घर तो कोआ ना यार. House means a place where all the physically, mentally, or socially healthy person will be communicated. Okay, so all these three factors when comes together, it builds a house. Okay, house माने तुम्हें इटू घर ऐसा था. You are in which house you are staying now. We are not talking about that house. Okay, and this ecology term was given by the Greeks. Okay, aru Greeks on oikos বুলি কয়, and oikos meaning to hoy house, and this house meaning to hoy all the physically healthy and socially spiritually healthy person that stays together is known as the house here. Okay, full stop dia. Ecology is defined as the 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 science of is defined as the science, S-C-I-E-N-C, science of is defined as the science of mutual relationship is defined as the science of mutual, M-U-T-U-A-L, mutual relationship, R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S-H-I-P, mutual relationship between living organisms and their environment. Between living organisms and their environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Between living organisms and their environments. Full stop. Human ecology is the human ecology is a subset of S-U-B-S-E-T. Human ecology is a subset of more general science of ecology is a subset of more, M-O-R-E, more general science, G-E-N-E-R-A-L, general science of ecology, E-C-O-L-O-G-Y, more general science of ecology. Change the paragraph, change for likha. The human ecosystem, E-C-O-S-Y-S-T-E-M, the human ecosystem includes, I-N-C-L-U-D-E-S. The human ecosystem includes, in addition to the natural environment, natural, N-A-T-U-R-L, natural environment, E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, natural environment, all the dimensions of এতিয়া হৈছে ন?
Yes, ma'am. হৈ আছে।
The human ecosystem includes, in addition to the natural environment, comma, all the dimensions of man-made environment, at a dash diya aur likha physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-L, physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-L, physical, comma, chemical, C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L, physical, chemical, comma, biological, B-I-O-L-O-G-I-C-A-L, biological, comma, psychological, P-S-Y-C-H-O-L-O-G-I-C-L, psychological, P-S-Y-C-H-O-L-I-L-O-G-I-C-L, psychological, in short, S-H-O-R-T, in short, comma, our culture and all its products. So all these physical, chemical, psychological, all these are man-made environment. ठीक है, natural environment और physical, chemical आते नहीं. Okay, so we will study this later. Okay, physical, chemical, we will study in the next.
Ma'am, our culture, tar pisot.
Our culture and all its products. Our culture and all its products. tar pisot change the paragraph. And write down. Man has created, man, M-A-N, man, Manuel, M-A-N, man has created for himself. Man has created for himself. Man has created for himself new health problems. Man has created for himself new health problems. New health problems, full stop. For example, comma, the greatest threat, T-H-R-E-A-T, the greatest threat to human health in India, the greatest threat to human health in India, the greatest threat to human health in India today, human health in India, I-N-D-I-A, India today, T-O-D-A-Y, today is the ever increasing, E-V-E-R, ever increasing, I-N-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G, ever increasing, comma, unplanned, U-N-P-L-A-N-N-E-T, unplanned urbanization, U-R-B-A-N-I-Z-A-T-I-O-N, urbanization, comma, growth of slums, Growth of slums. Do you know what is a slum? SLUMS, slums. Anybody knows what is a slum?
No. Yes, ma'am. Slum area.
Slums mane gam nahi pao. Huh?
Ma'am, slum
Yes,
area.
slum areas where so many people are staying together, no toileting, no proper houses.
Yes, ma'am.
Hoine?
Footpath
Huh?
থাকে যে হয়
Footpath or besi thake. They used to make tents or nisna horu tent eneka banai thake. Okay, in the
ক্যাম্প বনাই
drains,
থাকে
drain water hai, no proper place for staying, eating. ঠিক আছে? So all those slums, all those people who are staying in slums, and slums are mostly in big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, in all those places. So many slum areas are there where so many horu bacha bor, okay, you will see them lying on the streets, so many houses staying together intact, proper bathrooms nai, proper no clean drinking water. ঠিক আছে? So that is known as slum. Eta movie as no Slumdog Millionaire.
slum
Have you watched? So there
yes
also you can see the slums of India. Okay, you can watch that movie. Slums and the end, deterioration of environment and deterioration of environment. Deterioration, D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, deterioration of environment, E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. So deterioration of environment, how does it happen? By cutting of trees. Okay, so many people are always cutting trees, zoom cultivations. Okay, so all these things are leading to devastation of the environment. Okay, we are not getting proper oxygen, we are not getting fresh air. Okay, so iman basic gari sari, okay, traffic, noise pollution, water pollution. Okay, so all these things are creating devastation in the environment. And you all know that our India is the second largest population. Hoy na noy? So our India is already the second largest population. So that is also creating problem in our health status. ঠিক আছে? Our health status is also affected because of the ever increasing population. ঠিক আছে? So now এতিয়া government কি কৰিছে that he took out a scheme, eta notun scheme ulaise, and in that scheme what only 2 children, okay, not more than 2. Hum do hamare do, it is one slogan that the government has given. Okay, hum do hamare do means only 2 children, not 10, 11, 12, not like that. Okay, because our India is already second largest population. Aru bacha beshi holeo problem nai, kintu we are already economically we are very down. Okay, so many bacha kacha, kintu the bachas are not, the babies are not getting proper nutrition nai. Hoy na noy? There is no proper nutrition, lack of education, proper education nai. Okay, proper food and clothing nai, and not proper housing. So hebur karone what happened, even the bacha, even the babies, they are suffering. Khub iman besi bachas bor, they are admitted in the hospitals because of pneumonia, because of this and that problem. Iman besi problem thake horu bacha bor. So because of why is it happening? Because of unhealthy environment. Okay, lack of proper hospital. Understand? So these are some of the reasons that our India is suffering. Okay, so Likha, the Bhopal gas tragedy, the Bhopal gas tragedy, the Bhopal, BHOPL, Bhopal gas tragedy, the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 highlights the danger, DANGER, highlights the danger of locating, LOCATING, of locating industries in urban areas. Locating industries in urban areas. Locating industries in urban areas. Full stop. लिखा. Construction of irrigation system. No, wait. Robert, wait. Locating industries in urban areas. After that, you write the nuclear disaster. The nuclear disaster. The nuclear, NUCLEAR, the nuclear disaster, DISASTER, the nuclear disaster in Soviet Russia, in Soviet, SOVIET, in Soviet Russia, RUSSIA, in Soviet Russia, in April 1986. In April 1986 is another grim, GRIM, grim reminder, is another grim reminder, REMINDER, is another grim reminder of environmental pollution, of environmental pollution, POLLUTION. ঠিক আছে, সোভিয়েত রাশিয়া তাত কি হৈছিলে in April 1986 এটা nuclear disaster হৈছে. Okay, and so many people died. ইমান বেছি মানুহে মৰিছে. All the people who are working in construction area, all the people who were there working in the companies, many of them they died because of this nuclear disaster, and it happened in the year April 1986. Okay, আৰু same এটা ঘটনা হৈছিলে in Bhopal. Itu eta gas tragedy হৈছিলে in 1984. At that time also many people were affected, many people were hospitalized, many people died. Okay, during this Bhopal gas tragedy. ঠিক আছে, full stop here. Construction of irrigation system.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
1984 highlights the danger of locating in the episode to him, ma'am.
Locating industries, locating industries in urban areas. Locating industries, dangor industries bur, what happened? There was a danger. ঠিক আছে, in urban areas. Urban areas mane where we all are staying. Okay, in the people's population. Okay. Not in the rural area. Rural mane ekdom gaor bitor. Okay, but urban means in the towns and cities. ঠিক আছে, town and city to ki boli koy? Urban. Rural mane village. Okay, locating industries in urban areas. URBAN, urban areas. tar pisot likha construction of irrigation system. Construction of irrigation system. Irrigation, IRRIGATION. Construction of irrigation system, SYSTM. Irrigation system and artificial lakes. And artificial lakes. And artificial lakes, artificial, ARTIFICIAL, artificial lakes, LAKES, artificial lakes has created ecological has created ecological, ECOLOGICAL, ecological problems, PROBLEMS, ecological problems, favoring the breeding of, favoring, FAVOURING, favoring the breeding, BREEDING, favoring the breeding of mosquitoes and snails, favoring the breeding of mosquitoes, okay, MOSQUITOES, mosquitoes and snails, SNAILS, mosquitoes and snails. So because of construction of irrigation system or artificial lakes, okay, lakes don't say the natural lakes which are there, that is another thing, but artificial lakes or drainage system, okay, dirt, letara, a non-hygienic drainage system. In all these places, what happens? There is the breeding place of mosquitoes or Snails. Snails, no? Snails. Do you know
Yes, ma'am.
what are snails? Yes.
Yes.
So where does the mosquitoes breed? Tell me. Mosquitoes कौन बेसी पाए? Mosquitoes बेसी भाग you will get in drains. Okay. बेसी भाग you will get in drains. In लेतरा पानी, लेतरा water you will get drains. You will get mosquitoes and snails. And mosquitoes बेसी होले what will happen? You will suffer from dengue. You will suffer from malaria. হয় না নহয়? So this was some of the things that was affecting our health. Okay. Full stop. Change the paragraph and write the main distinction between distinction betwin distinction between epidemiology 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 and ecology and ecology and ecology is that while epidemiology is the study of relationship between variations variations in man's environment manu okay man apostrophe s man's environment and his state of health HEALTH and his state of health bracket likha or disease. In brackets you write down or disease DISEASE or disease comma ecology embraces the ecology embraces the interrelationship of all living things. Ecology embraces the interrelationship of all living things. Okay. Now there are some dimensions of health. Okay, dimensions of health ase tat mane tumar physical health, spiritual health, social health. Okay, so all these things I will click picture and I will send you in WhatsApp tomorrow notebook or likhiluwa. Okay, the dimensions of health I will click pictures and I will send you in WhatsApp group. Okay, you write down in
Okay,
your
ma'am.
exercise. ঠিক আছে, it's only 2 minutes baki ase, so I will end the meeting here. Okay, I will end the class here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.